Wait for this car to get a little ways ahead so you have some space. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Can I go now?
Yep. Nice, that sounded great.
Okay, all right, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a video shoot. Got our boy Matt shooting some cool video of the G-Wagon with our new wide-body kit and forged wheels.
U-turn and go left, and then the dead end's right over here. So this is like top of the world, like
So that's where we're
trailhead.
going?
Yeah.
We stayed up, no, we got up at early super morning, started shooting at 5 a.m. We did some cool rolling shots, cool like ocean shots down the road along PCH.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yep. Sick. All right, sweet.
So can't wait to see the final image. See ya. All right, guys, we're gonna introduce you to our latest build. It is this Vorsteiner military, old school 1980s. I don't even know what you call it. Pinsgauer. Well, anyways, it's bright and early. We got Matt shooting the G-Wagon over here somewhere in Laguna Beach, and in front of this cool restaurant called Canary. Nice backdrop of the peninsula with boats and stuff. So, yeah.
Good morning, good morning. We're out here at Gunther Works Global Headquarters in Huntington Beach. We're just about to publicly unveil for the first time ever the Vorsteiner G63 Wide-Body Aero and Wheel program. You got a chance to see the other day, the wide program on the G63 is quite extraordinary, with fender flares that stick out over 2 inches from factory. And our VMP 308 wheels really tie the kit together. We'll be at G's on Sunday, down in Boyle Heights. See you soon. G-wagon, the pipes. So I would do this like a low corner looking up and say, like, you know, like a lockup with the trade. Something's coming today at 9 a.m. and then tag at G's on Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Something big dropping or something like that. Launching now or something, you know what I'm trying to say.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to where are we at? G's on Sunday over here in Boyle Heights, and we are about to unveil our wide-body G-Wagon kit.
Just make sure.
Hey, so let me get this straight. So you take a normal G-Wagon, right? And we're gonna RWB it, you know, make it wide body and stuff.
RWB.
So Nakai's coming out, right?
We don't cut anything. We don't cut anything.
What?
Factory bolt on, baby.
What? No cuts?
No cuts.
I don't want it, man. I want Nakai to cut it.
you want it to be permanent.
I want it. That's how I want it, dude. This is gonna be. This is the kit. You gotta get it.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. G's on Sunday, G-wagons and G-bodies. We're excited to launch the G63 Wide-Body kit. Have a good one.